This is the easiest butter chicken bake you'll ever make. This recipe is fast, easy, and delicious. Mushrooms. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we like them chunky. Keep in mind, we're baking in the oven for 16 minutes. A whole mushroom probably wouldn't break down fast enough. Cut them up too fine and they shrivel up to nothing. All right, fantastic. So split them between the two trays. Onion, top and tail of the onion. Peel that skin off. 1.5 mil thickness. Cut your onion too thick, it's gonna be raw. Cut it too thin, it disappears. We're gonna push them mostly to the side because in the center, we're gonna place our chicken. We've got chicken thighs. Now, if you're worried about the fat content, you're more than welcome to use breasts. For me, I find thighs hold more flavor. And with this recipe in particular, they just bake up so nicely. Butter chicken sauce, just a pre-bought. Don't get too fancy about it. All right, we're gonna massage those thighs, mix that sauce the whole way through. Right, so 4 thighs per tray, extra sauce, pour it on top. What's gonna happen now, once that chicken starts to cook, the moisture is gonna draw from the chicken. It's gonna create a lot more moisture and liquid on the bottom of the tray. That's gonna mix it with the onions, the mushrooms, the excess butter chicken sauce. Mix it all together, mash the flavors all together. Just a splash of olive oil. Let's go around the outsides. So we're gonna give these a blast. The oven's preheated, 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we'll check them and add the finishing touches. Butter chicken bake is in the oven, it's cooking away. Push it to the side, forget about it. Time to get some rice on. Okay, 200 grams of rice. In the pot, we're gonna wash it twice. 200 grams of water, plus a splash. A splash of olive oil, good pinch of salt, turmeric. Let's get this bad boy on. 225 grams of peas, splash of water, microwave for 3 minutes. Today we're chucking in lentils. We can use chickpeas, any sort of legume. Why I love them, they're a great bulk out. Full of protein, full of fiber, and they're cheap. Quick little rinse off. In total, 20 minutes that the chicken's been in the oven at 200 degrees. All the water from the bottom, that's the chicken juices. That's the juices coming out of the chicken, mixing with the vegetables, mixing with the sauce. Now, this is when we add our lentils. The lentils, just follow that little vegetable ridge line. So what I like to do is just chuck them right in at the end while the dish is still warm so they can absorb all that flavor. Give it a little mix through. We want those lentils absorbing up all that flavor we just worked so hard on with the mushrooms, the chicken, the butter chicken sauce. We want it all to mash together. So our chicken's ready. Look how cool we are with our yellow rice. All right, so in less than 20 minutes, easy butter chicken bake and our yellow rice. Keep in mind, you've got all these beautiful juices at the bottom of the butter chicken bake. Those onion, mushroom, lentils, star of the show. Finish off with some peas, bit of extra sauce. This has taken literally 25 minutes. 25 minutes, a meal for the family, a meal for 4. My favorite part.